Let me take this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Sumit Nahata and I have done BTech in Engineering Physics from IIT Bombay. So let me briefly tell about this course. This is a course in fundamental and applied physics. We get to do a lot of course in physics, at least as far as till third year is concerned. We also get to do some of the courses in electrical stream. So these courses are done together with MSc students in physics and also with BTech students of electrical engineering. So we get to do combined courses, and then we also have separate courses. We also have lab courses. So at least each semester, we have two of the lab courses. So basically, it is both theoretical and experimental physics. After doing physics, I did not go on and pursue the normal research in physics that a student would opt after doing engineering physics. This is because I found physics to become very narrow and very specific, and it became very mathematical. Instead, when I was preparing for JEE, I loved problem solving. I loved the broad spectrum of physics which I was studying in class 11th and 12th. And I felt that I have still not had a thorough grip over class 11th and 12th physics. So basically I wanted to uh, first cover the broad domain of physics to my satisfaction, and the only way I thought was to start teaching physics at this level. And I started teaching physics firstly on private tuition basis, and then I joined a school wherein I got to teach physics to class 11th and 12th students. Along with physics, I was always teaching maths because maths complements physics so much. You can really show the application of maths and physics at class 11th and 12th, especially calculus. So, the thing is that teaching maths and physics was in a way, it was very stimulating for me. It was very exciting. Whenever I solved new problems, it would really encourage me and motivate me to go further into it. So I loved solving problems, and many a times the problems which I might have solved before, or which were new to me, a solution came up on the spot while dealing with students. So this is the most enjoyable part as far as teaching was concerned for me. So whenever you are open to teaching and learning, you get very new ideas. And learning has not been, it has not been that I have just stopped learning and I am just teaching. So teaching is more of a learning to me even now. So whenever I stop learning, if I stop learning, I would stop teaching. Basically, I enjoy teaching because I enjoy learning new things. Any It so happens that many a times some strange view which I have never thought before turns up, and I just see the connections of unrelated topics. So in a nutshell, I would like to tell that basically I have been very interested in the logic of physics, in the logic of maths, the order I see in physics and maths. And as far as my professional experience is concerned, I have taught 11th and 12th students for boards, and of late, like after teaching them, after doing that work, I also moved into teaching for JEE mains and JEE advanced. So I would clear the doubts of some students when they would bring the previous year papers relating JEE mains and JEE advanced. I tremendously enjoyed the new problems set by IITs, and I see that as the year passed by, there are always good problems coming up. There is no end to it. So basically, as far as professional experience is concerned, for the last at least 4 or 5 years, I've been into problem solving of JEE mains and JEE advanced relating to physics and maths. So I would conclude introducing myself by saying that at some level, I really enjoy application of concepts that we learn and that too more specifically in problem solving. And any new solution that comes up, I really see that how the mind has worked and it has come up with that solution. So I'm also interested in my thought process, how I get the solution, and I also would like to teach the same to the students. So it is not just the problem solving, it is how I try to relate the fundamentals of the subject and then gradually move on to the problem solving. So thank you for this.